Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Paisano. So this is our Silly Shape Alligator that was created using the color teal to create my tint. I added teal to the white. To create my shade, I added black to the teal. And as you can see, I have a variety of tints and shades. Then I went back over after it dried and added my own little design so it made it look silly, outlined a little bit, and I did give my Silly Shape Alligator some claws. You guys can kind of create your own as well too, but it's fun, and just explore and create and have fun with this. Please do not get discouraged. Just use your imagination. Alright guys, Miss Paisano, create art.